Kelly with Kelly's Collectibles. We're an online consignment company where consigners ship us their art and collectibles to sell on eBay. In this video, I'm going to show you tips on how to get free shipping supplies and packing materials. If you're shipping a lot, you'll also need a good scale, and I'll put a link below on a few postal scales that we recommend. Also, if you'd like to learn how to print a label from your home and request a pickup from the US Post Office, I'll put a link to a video below that we did on that. So I've been shipping on eBay and Amazon since 2009, and I found numerous ways to get free shipping supplies and packing materials. So here are my top 10 ways that you can find them too. Number one is the USPS website for priority and flat rate boxes. So here we are at USPS.com. If you have not created an account, create one. All you want to do is hit order boxes here on their home page, and it will take you to this screen. And what you want to do is check here on priority and scroll down. You can see all the different shapes and sizes they have. So you can see that they're 0, 0, 0. So you just choose the ones you want. Order them in a pack of 10 or a pack of 25. You got to check how they come. Each one is different. Add it to your cart, and they will deliver them right to your doorstep for free. Okay, number two is UPS and FedEx. If your package does not fit within the guidelines of the United States Post Office, you'll need to move over to UPS or FedEx. So this is the maximum for the USPS is 108 inches in combined length and girth, or if it's going ground, it's 130 inches in combined length and girth. And regarding the size, the maximum mailable weight of any mail piece is 70 pounds. So that's why you would need to ship to UPS or FedEx. And if you log on to their websites and create an account, they will ship you free supplies also directly to your house. Okay, number three is Freecyclecom. This is a neighborhood community website where you can sign on and type in the city and state where you live, and you can place an ad on here for free shipping supplies. I would ask for clean shipping supplies and packing materials like air pillows, newspapers, bubble wrap, styrofoam, peanuts. So that's a good source for that. And then number four is nextdoor.com. It's kind of the same concept. These are your neighbors. I use this and had tons of boxes. People would text me and say boxes. I'd go to their front doorstep and pick them up, or they drop them off on my front doorstep. This was a great resource because most people are recycle or repurpose oriented, and they don't want to just throw them in the dumpster or in their trash bin. Number five is Facebook. I'm sure you have a Facebook account already. So what you can do here is type in up here in the search box the city you live in. I'll say like Seattle, and the word classifieds after that. Most cities or counties have a city classified area here, so you would just request to join the group. Once you are accepted, you can post here that you are looking for packing materials and supplies, and that's a good source to find them as well. Okay, number six is Craigslist. So you can do two things on Craigslist. You can create an ad, a listing here, requesting the same things, that you're looking for clean shipping supplies. And also, if you go here under the for sale area and click free, and you type in boxes, for instance, people are always moving and getting rid of boxes. So this is a good way to find boxes as well. Okay, number seven is local stores. So you want to ask them to hold packing materials and boxes for you to recycle. It saves them time on breaking them down and placing them out in the trash bins in the back. I've done this with the art store Aaron Brothers, local coffee shops, lighting stores hold things for me, even a florist, because they get a lot of heavy vases shipped to them, so they have nice sturdy boxes. A good place to get larger boxes are your local grocery stores, a furniture store, I get a lot of boxes from Pier 1 or Cost Plus if you have those in your area. It's for shipping framed prints or paintings that I use a lot, because large boxes can cost $35 and up. So hey, if you can get them free, and a lot of these stores also sell mirrors, so a mirror box is perfect for a painting. So for smaller boxes, coffee houses are good. I had my local Starbucks holding boxes for me, and I had a hydroponic store holding boxes for me. They were so busy, they were getting fresh shipments in every day, so they had a lot of different variety of boxes. And also pharmacies like your local CVS, they have a lot of shipments in and a lot of boxes that you could choose from. Okay, number 8 is friends and family. This is pretty obvious, but ask them to save their newspapers, their boxes, their packing materials that they receive when they order things on Amazon or eBay. You'll be amazed at how soon your supplies will accumulate in a short amount of time. So make it convenient for them and offer to pick them up or meet them for lunch and do an exchange. Okay, number 9. I hate to say it, but dumpster diving is a fast and easy way to pick up boxes. You want to get them in the morning when they're fresh, so there's no dew or debris on them from sitting out overnight. I'd bring a long stick so you can move the boxes around in the bins and use them to pull them out. And sometimes the trash bins are so full that they just leave the boxes and packing materials right outside the back doors of their stores. So make sure they're clean and there's no debris inside of them. Okay, so I have a bonus tip after number 10, so stick around for that. So number 10 is eBay. If you are an eBay seller with a store, eBay offers $50 coupons every quarter to use towards eBay supplies. This is where I get a lot of my free tape and a variety of poly mailers and small boxes. Okay, my bonus tip for you is offer free shipping to your buyers. So if you're selling large items, we recommend using uship.com, and that the buyer will arrange the shipping. So like we sold a life-size Darth Vader last week that was 7 feet tall and weighed 300 pounds. And so we suggested the buyer use uship.com. What they do is, I'll read it to you right here. uShip's transport marketplace gives the access to thousands of trusted providers who compete for your business, so you can pick your price and ship with confidence. So you will receive bids on shipping that item from one point to the other, and who can do it the fastest and who can do it the cheapest, and then you pick the shipper that you want to take care of that. If you still are looking for supplies and you can't find them, inexpensive places to find tape and printer paper and printer cartridges are Costco, Sam's Club, Walmart, or you can go to swap meets, flea markets, estate sales, garage sales. I've got lots of supplies from there, from those places, for $1 or $2. Dollar stores have inexpensive shipping supplies. And you could check on Craigslist for stores that are going out of business or liquidating their assets. You can get pretty inexpensive things that way. So those are my top 10 tips. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have tips on how to get free shipping supplies, please share them in the comments below. Thank you.